Happy birthday, pare. Pare, ano pa, utol, lahat na. Itong taon to, matagal ko nang kasama to. High school pa kami, hanggang kami magtrabaho sa Kainta. Staying kami noon, tagal. And masaya kami magkakasama ng mga to. Kaya binabati kita sa iyong arawan. Ay ingatan ka lagi ng ating pamay kapal at bigyan ng kalusugan at kalakasan. Ngayon din ang iyong buong pamilya. Ang masasabi ko lang mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat!
Happy birthday! Dahil magsi-60 ka na, meron kang 5 pitik at isang soft move. Happy
Happy birthday, Tito Gwen. Wishing you good health, long life, and more blessings. Hope you will enjoy your day today. And we love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. We will see you soon. And see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wally. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May you have more birthdays to come.
More blessings to come.
And may you have
A happy birthday.
bless you.
Name, story, if I was named earlier. Happy birthday, Laura. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Laura. May God bless you.
Hello, Weng. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday to you. Sana more blessed birthdays to come. Nandito ako sa wall. Happy birthday! Hi, Daddy Weng. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Daddy Weng. See you soon. Oh, wow.
Happy birthday po, Daddy Weng.
Happy birthday po, Daddy Weng. Love you, miss you. See you soon. Hi, Mario. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Christopher. Ano? Christopher, ano?
Don't forget the
Happy birthday, Mario.
kare-kare, masarap na.
Happy birthday. We are here in Marina Park. It's so cold. But we have to come here because we have to take this video for you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Weng, happy birthday. Dito kami. Sana makaya ko lahat yan, ha? Dati Weng, ingat lagi and stay healthy all the time. Yun importante. Miss you. Yeah, happy birthday ulit. Ingat kayo. Ingat kayo. Ingat.
Hi, Tito Weng. My name is Abel. Hi.
Hello, Tito Wayne. Greetings from California. Say, ano na si hi? Ano no? Say hi, Tito Wayne. But, okay, I'm sorry.
Hello! Weng!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Casey!
Ano, 60 na? 61.
60! We love you and you know, you deserve everything you do for the family.
Thank you, Wayne.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Enjoy!
Enjoy.
Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Daddy Wayne. We love you.
Senior na kayo ni Daddy.
Happy birthday, Weng! Malawa kita na! Paghingi naman eh. Weng, happy birthday! Sana'y dagdagan parang maraming karawan yan. Oh, ano ang naman dito? Dito. Tapos na. Umuwi naman yung nanay, tsura pa.
Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Sapa. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Alam ko masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo at maraming bisita dyan. Daddy, gusto ko rin kumain ng chicken, ice cream, at cake. Miss ko na kayo lahat. Pati si Mami at Janica. Huwag na po kayo mag-alala. Masaya po ako dito. Kasama si Lord at Jesus. Wala na po akong sakit. I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday. Mag-ingat po. Kayo lagi, ha? Miss ko na po kayo, mga tito at tita ko. Pati na rin si Lola at mga pinsan ko. Salamat po sa pagmamahal at walang sawa na pag-alaga sa akin. Daddy, Mommy, kapatid ko, I love you all.
And palakpakan naman po natin ang magandang video.